Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be comparing the Milwaukee 2500 rocket light versus the 6000 lumen rocket light. So if you're not already subscribed, like, share, comment, all that kind of stuff, let's help this channel grow. But let's get started. So the first thing initially, I've had this for about 2 years now. I love it. I use it while I'm detailing, but I wanted to upgrade because this is twice, it says it's twice as powerful. So first things I noticed when I was setting it up, I actually watched a video and someone said this is a really well built. Well, yeah, it is. It actually is a little bit heavier and it makes it feel like it's sturdier than the 2500 lumen. Also, this one lets you charge a device through it at the same time. So you can have your battery in and you can actually charge something. So I find that pretty interesting. Where this just, you got nothing. This has a rubber on the handle. I don't think that really matters. Better grip, right? Better grip, you know. But what we're about to do is we're gonna go to the, oh, I turned on the light. We're about to go to the back barn over there. And I have a room that only has one light, like 2 little windows. So it's darker than it can be. So we're really gonna see how well the light just pops with the 2 of these. So it's gonna be really good. And again, same height. So if you're looking for height, you're gonna be fine there. The other advantage too, the tripod light is that you're gonna get light 360 where you're only gonna get light on 180 degrees. Also, when these pack up, this is gonna come down, the light's gonna sit exposed. So you might have a chance of scratching up the lens. Where this is, you can actually position it to sit so whereas this one, you're able to sit them down here and they're actually able to be protected with this plastic piece, which is good. So that way they don't get scratched up. Also, other advantage, when this comes down, just 2 little easy things. Both of them function the same way. This rotates and you can have them sitting like this. So say you need it at the ground height or this height, you're better. And again, just super easy. Pick them up, set them whatever height you want, and you're good to go. This rotates all the way up, so if you need light up for some reason, you got it. Same thing with that one. But this just lets you have so much more customization. God, better word for there. Okay, lets you have more customization of where you got to put your lights. Okay, so let's go up to the barn. Let's test it out and see how much. Let's see if this is really twice the power. Also, wait, one last thing. The price difference between these two. I was able to get this on sale through one of those battery deals where I just didn't pick up the battery. Hack, by the way. Ship the battery to a separate store. Pick this up in another store and they'll, after a week, cancel your batteries and you'll get it discounted. This was $313 for me. This one, I think there's a deal where you can get this for like $229 and you might get a free battery with it. So that's why I want to know if this is really that much better than that one, because otherwise you just save the money and get that. So let's go. All right, so I have the 6000 lumen one set up right now. Guys, this is absolutely amazing that this whole room is filled with light. I'm using, both of them have the 6-amp battery in it. Both are actually at about half a charge, so it's a fair comparison. I don't know. Oh, actually, you know what would be cool if you could flip all these lights one way. So you can't really, but let me show you with this thing too. You can adjust the brightness off that. So, I mean, you can get pretty dark in here. Watch when I hit this off button. Okay? Not joking. This room is literally pitch black. And I'll show you something funny. There's one light right across to, oh God, that's sketchy, to another light. So this room's never bright. So let's shut it off. And I'll show you the difference now with that. Now, the reason I'm dragging this back is that's full brightness on this bad boy. We can go lower, we can get to there, we can go off, we can get to that. Or we come back and okay, at least I can do this, I can do that. Oh, so I can do, this would be a better comparison. So that is full brightness, right? That's all it's got, right? Or we hit this button and we got that. So to put that in comparison, you have that, right? You can't, like, literally you can't even tell that it turned on. So let's show it even better. So off. Oh yeah, this one actually, you don't have to cycle through them all. This will just shut off, right? This one you have to cycle through all of them. Now, all I have to do is hit and you got daylights. I mean, you have daylights. So, I think I have a pretty easy comparison here. We want all the light, right? Okay, so if you have the opportunity to buy this one cheap, it's not bad. But if you want all the bells and whistles, go with this one. The difference is going to be insane. Again, that or that. You're like, well, John, that's not much. Did you even know I shut it off? Could you tell? Like, look. Like, that's it. This is all by itself. And again, we're going from this to this. That's mind-blowing. Again, off, right? That's full. That's it. That's all I got. Or it's like this, where it's like, kabam! It's not double, but it's a good time and a half more. I think that makes sense if it's... So, again, I'll put down in the description box up here on the screen the difference between the run times. But I would recommend going with the Tri one if you can. If you can get the deal like I did, it's $311. Just send the battery to another store. Don't have to pick it up. I would skip on this one. Unless you want $229 and you get a free battery, then yeah, it doesn't sound like a terrible deal. But this is just so much better. It's so bright. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And again, thanks for watching. Hope to catch you all in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.